Hello there, welcome back to Honey and Ted. So with the fastest growth of the technology, cybercrime is also increasing. You must have seen in the news, you must have heard that somebody lost their money by receiving just a call. Somebody lost their money by just opening an email box. Somebody lost their money by just opening and clicking on the particular link. So this way, when we are being dependent on the technology, cybercrime is increasing and it will also increase in the near future. There's no control over it. The main important thing is how you can protect yourself from cybercrime, and how, if cybercrime happens with you, how you can lodge a complaint. So in this video I'll show you how you can lodge a complaint to cybercrime branch, because if you go to normal police station, they will ask you to lodge a complaint to cyber police only. So with the help of mobile or with the help of laptop only, you just have to go to their website, you have to create your username and you can raise a complaint. So in this video I'll show you how to create a username in cybercrime, how to raise a complaint, how to do follow-up of your query, on what helpline number you need to contact them, and how you can do follow-up. So please watch my video till end. So I will show you how you can lodge a complaint to cybercrime. Okay, so you just have to type www.cybercrime.gov.in. okay, so in the first option you can just go to report woman child related crime. So I'm just opening this portal. So this is how their website look like. As you open this website, you will see the following prompt on your screen. You can notice next to the home button tab there are two other options: report woman child related crime and report other cyber crime. Okay, report woman child related crime and report cyber other crime. So here if there is any kind of harassment is done to woman or child, they can just anonymously means if you have observed your neighbor is having in some problem, some harassment, and you don't want to disclose your name, so you can just report here and report other cyber crime. If you want to report your other cyber crime, you can just click over here. So this is the disclaimer they have shown. So how you can file a complaint and all, you just have to click on file complaint. Okay, so they have just displayed the frequently asked questions, like what are the if any kind of query you have, you can just refer to this FAQ section, and they've just tried to explain about their feature. So this is what CSAM, child sexuality abusive material. So if you want to understand this, you can just go through entire FAQ section. So I'll just quickly I'll just accept over here, and then you can just for example, I'm here from Maharashtra. You can just select over here and then you can click over here. So now if you don't have your login ID, you just have to click here as a new user. Okay, choose any login ID. Okay, you like you want to give your name and all, whatever as per the requirement, you can create your name. Okay, your the name screen is showing your mobile number. You just have to enter your mobile number and click on get OTP. Once you click on OTP, the OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number, whichever you have entered over here. So just to show you, I have just done some testing, and so I'm just entering the OTP over here. Okay, this is the normal maths, you have to enter it and then click on submit. So this way you will be able to create your information. Basically you have to create your details. So I've just entered. So here I'm just entering the information. Now whichever is the nearest police station you understood over here as per the pin code entered by you. Okay, you just have to select the police station. Once you enter the pin code, okay, it will automatically here it will show you. And then click on update. So like this kind of information is required so that even police officer is trying to reach you, so they will have from where this user has registered and complaint. So now you can just click on next. Okay, and you can just raise a complaint over here. So here you can see what kind of complaint you want to raise: online cyber trafficking, online gambling, ransomware, cryptocurrency crime. So whatever kind of complaint you want to raise, you can just select the category: online financial fraud. What kind of financial fraud, you just have to select it. Okay, have you lost the money, yes or no? If you haven't lost money, someone else has lost the money. So that way you can just, as per the condition, you just have to mention it over here and save in next. So from here you can register in cyber complaint over here. And then once you register it, I am not raising any complaint, I don't have as of now. You can just check the status over here. From here you can just check the status. You will get in complaint ID once you register. So you will get in complaint ID, search request date, and then you can just select here. They will show you the data. And then complaint withdraw. If you like, many time it happens that your complaint has been resolved. If you are raising any complaint against the bank and then banker has provided you proper solution, so you might go for a complaint withdrawal also. So you can just click on the complaint withdrawal. Okay, and if you want to update your mobile number, any kind of changes you want to do, you can do it here. I will also go to the tab of report woman child related crime. So if you are observing any kind of crime over here, you can just register over here. Next is here, this is the helpline number. Okay, this is the toll free number where you can contact them, 155260. You can contact them between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so this is their contact details where you can call them and raise a complaint. If you want to contact them, you can just click over here the state name. You can just enter the state and then they will show you the email ID that under Maharashtra, who is the nodal cyber cell officer, Bal Singh Rajput. If you want to send them an email, so you have to send an email to sp.cbr-mah@gov.in. Okay, and then if this is the grievance, then you can send a mail to ig.cbr-mah@gov.in. So this is the email ID where you can mark an email to them. Here, this download PDF, there is an same way whenever you find out any information, if you want to save it for your reference, you can just save it. So this way you can lodge your complaint and you can also track a status of it. If you want to know the status, you can also contact their helpline number to know the status.
So in this video I have shown you how to create your username in cybercrime portal, how you can create. I have shown you the in detail information. I have also shown you how to lodge your cybercrime complaint over here. Okay, I have given you step by step information how to lodge a cybercrime complaint. Next is I have also shown you where to check complaint status, and the last is where to check the status. If you have registered a complaint, where to check status. Where to call and which number you have to call and ask for a status. Okay, so this is the number, that is 15526. You have to call and ask for the status. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being with Honey and Tech. Have a pleasant day, evening ahead. Thank you.